Hi, this is my daily driver. It's a 2014 Nissan Note, and this is the replacement of my previous Toyota Vitz that got rear-ended. So that's why I got the rims from my old Vitz. This is a P1 Racing, a 15-inch P1 Racing with Hankook Kinergy tires. It has a smaller engine than my Vitz. It's only 1198cc with a CVT transmission, so yes, it is quite slow, but the fuel economy is quite efficient. So let me show you the inside. We are inside of my Nissan Note. This is the dashboard layout. So you can see I've replaced the head unit with the cheapest Pioneer that I could find in the market, because the previous one is a Japanese head unit which I don't understand what's in it. Okay, and this is the key fob. As long as you have this inside the car, you can start it up. I love the gadgets on this car. First is the mirror. This is an auto dimming mirror, but it also has a built-in monitor. Some of the gadgets here. First one is the auto start stop engine button. If you press that, it won't automatically shut down when you're in traffic. These are the controls for the mirrors, and this is the forward collision warning. So if you still put your foot on the gas when there's an object in front of you, it will beep and alert you. And this is the lane keep warning. It's not assist, so you won't be assisted in anything, but it will beep at you if you cross the line. It has a camera right behind the mirror over here. This is the camera for the lane keep warning. And also it has the stability control, and this is the manual headlamp leveling. So what's special about the back seat is that it's pretty roomy. You see my knee room here. I think it's more than a Toyota Camry, more than most of mid-size sedans. So this is what it looks like from the back. And I want to show you how roomy it is for a car this size. You could put a lot of things here, and as you can see, I put a plastic cover on it because I go diving with it often, and I often put my wet stuff. So this is the engine. Because it has a start-stop function, it has a special battery. It's bigger than a normal one, and I think it will be quite expensive if you have to replace this. But the engine is a typical HR12DE, so it's the same as Nissan March. So that's it. That's my 2014 Nissan Note.